Being aware of the distance required to stop is important to every vehicle on the road. Compared to much smaller passenger cars, large tractor-trailers need a much greater distance to make these critical stops. Perception time, driver reaction time, vehicle reaction time, or brake lag, and the actual braking distance are all important factors that add up to the overall stopping distance of a motor vehicle. Even under ideal conditions, commercial trucks need an additional 60 feet of stopping distance when compared to a passenger car. This scenario is made worse when the commercial vehicle has defective brakes, including brakes that are out of adjustment, pads that are worn, or linings contaminated by oil or grease. FMCSA testing of an 80,000-pound tractor-trailer with defective brakes achieved stopping distances in excess of 320 feet, at least 95 feet longer than a commercial truck with brakes in good condition. To help ensure the safety of everyone on the road, commercial vehicles must be inspected to assess the quality of the brakes. Several tools used by roadside enforcement officers are used to assess the performance level of brakes, including infrared-based screening, can detect cool brakes which indicate potentially inoperative brakes. Performance-based brake testing, that electronically measures the brake force of each wheel end and axle. And manual inspections of brake components and brake adjustment. FMCSA testing of commercial vehicles with different load weights and varying degrees of brake function further indicate how important it is to properly maintain brakes, even when braking at low speeds. At roadside safety inspections, 25% of commercial motor vehicles are placed out of service. Brake-related defects are one of the most often cited out-of-service violations. Motorists should keep these important braking distance considerations in mind when driving on the highway around commercial vehicles.